Hi guys, it's Eric. Back again with another review. This time is for my car because one of my friends recommended that I should do reviews on parts that I actually put on my own car. So here is a Maxton lip. It is from the UK. I actually bought this through eBay. I figured returns would be a little bit easier if it's from the UK. I bought this lip because this one goes under the M splitters, which is really rare because there's not any other lips that I found that can do this. And the reason I got this was because the last owner installed the splitters and I can't find a way to take it off, so I can't change them. So instead of taking those off, I'm just putting this one underneath it. Therefore, I can have a front lip without having to take off the competition splitters. Also on eBay, this one shows that this is the gloss black one. They have an unpainted one and a carbon look one. It's kind of weird though because the price was lower on eBay than it was their website for the gloss black. So hopefully it is the gloss black one. Otherwise, I have to paint it. Also, from what I see on social media and everywhere else, I don't actually see anyone running this lip. So as far as I know, I'm the only one that is running this lip. And hopefully there's no problems and it fits right. So there's not much padding in here. I just see the lip, which is still can't really tell if it's a black or not. There's a lip out of the box. Pretty cool. Here's the hardware. Hardware and instructions. And a sticker. Alright, so here's the lip. It did come in gloss black. Overall, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty plasticky. Alright, so it came in gloss black. There are imperfections right here, but this part will be unseen. It'll be under the car, so you can't see it under the part. But you can see a lot of micro scratches on this, which sucks. So it's kind of all like scratched up and stuff. But it is plastic. They protected this part, which isn't much. And they have two stickers here. One's a serial, this one says to pull off. So there's only 3 instructions on this. Check the fitting, mark drilling points, and then install it. Alright, let's see if it will test fit right now. So I have it mocked up right here. Just kind of what it'll look like. I have it sitting on toolboxes. Alright, so change of plans. So actually at the bottom of the car, there's already some screws right here. The splitter, there's also 2 more. So I'm just gonna try to attach this lip onto the existing screws so I don't have to do more work and take off the whole bumper. So I'm gonna try that. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. So instead of using the nuts and bolts that came, the hardware that came with it, I just used self-tap screws with the washer because the nuts and bolts would be a real pain because they're pretty thick and you have to drill a big hole and take off the bumper. So all I did was jack the car up and then self-tap it. I had a friend help me hold it up, line it up, so I was able to self-tap it in. I tried to line it up with the existing holes, but that turned out to be extremely hard, so I just kind of drilled new holes all the way through. I put enough to make it seem like it was sturdy enough, and so far it hasn't flown off. And also another thing to mention is when it comes, it has a layer of film. So when I got it, I actually didn't know, and it kind of looked like the whole lip was already scratched. But after removing it, it looks new. So it's kind of all like scratched up and stuff. Overall, I like how the lip looks. Honestly, it feels kind of too plasticky. Like kind of makes it seem like it's kind of not worth what you're paying for. But this is the only lip I could find that fits the competition splitters. And I would really like it if someone makes another either same thing or similar where it can go under the splitters but in carbon fiber. Maxton Design does have one where it's carbon look, but it's not actual carbon fiber. And I think if it was actual carbon fiber, it would look really nice. If anyone out there knows another lip that can fit under the splitters, let me know, because I would be glad to have one if it was in carbon. But as far as I know, and through forums and research, social media, I haven't seen anyone. Even with this lip, I haven't seen anyone with this lip, at least in the US or California. So the price of this is a little bit more pricey because it's from the UK. Alright guys, so overall the installation was pretty good, pretty easy as long as you jack it up and then install it. Self-tap. And the quality overall is not, in my opinion, not worth it for the price because you can get a replica carbon for the same price. But other than that, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you could, it'll help a lot. And see you next time. Peace.